The role of the leadership should be strengthened to ensure lasting peace in the region and strengthen the relationship between the people. Mrs. Alemitu said that the role of leaders in all levels should be strengthened in order to ensure lasting peace in Gambella region and strengthen the relationship between the people. From Gambella Region Government Communication Affairs Office, August-November 2016 EC. Recently, the new leaders who came to the appointment have held a meeting with the leaders from the region, zone, and district. As the head of administration, Mrs. Alemitu said at this time, the security problems that occur in different times in the region have negative impact on the economic and social development works of the society. They said we should work together for sustainable peace by strengthening our culture of solving our problems together. Mrs. Alemitu, who said that our reform works are expected to be done within the time limit, has emphasized that the role of leaders at all levels should be strengthened in the effort to ensure peace in the region and make the people benefit from development. The Vice President of the region, Dr. Gatluak Ruon, on his part said that his administration is expected to work on this time to enable the region to continue being peaceful and developed. They explained that the development works started in the region have been recorded with encouraging results, but the resources in the region require a lot of jobs. Mr. Ashine Aston, the advisor of public relations, organization, and the office head of Gambella Prosperity Party, has stated that he is working on sustainable solutions. They said that they should strengthen the values of brotherhood and togetherness in the society and work together for the peace and development of the environment. They have realized that there should be a leadership that respects and accepts unity in the region. Therefore, they said that in the future, a leadership that will be measured by its work and results will serve the region and its people. The leaders who participated in the discussion stage said that they will do their part to strengthen the unity and solidarity of the people.